How you feeling, Slugger?
Been better.
Yeah, them damn ribs is the worst. Yeah. Try like hell not to laugh, and try like ever-loving hell not to sneeze.
God.
What are you doing here?
Well, I was waiting for 5 hours to see if you lived through surgery.
Sorry to disappoint.
We're gonna wait outside, amigo. Okay? You need anything? Want a pack of cigarettes?
He said don't laugh.
Sorry. My fault. Broke my own rule. We'll be right outside, bub, okay? Maybe give him some space.
To think I missed my first patch party for you.
Sure there'll be plenty of chlamydia at the next one.